Good morning. This is 1-2 order operations, variables, expressions, and equations, along with 1-3 properties. It's under notes and guided. This is the skill builder, which is at the top of that page. So we are working on integer operations still. So number 1, a negative 15 plus 8, unlike sign subtract, which would give me 7. Take the sign of the bigger looking one, the absolute value, which would be negative 7. 7 minus 12 would be 7 minus 12. Keep, change, flip. Unlike sign subtract, 12 minus 7 is 5. Take the sign of the larger absolute value, which would be negative 5. 5 minus 17, 5 minus 17, keep, change, flip. Unlike sign subtract, 17 minus 5 is 12. Take the sign of the larger looking one, which is negative. Negative 13 plus negative 24, like signs add. I get 37. Take sign, negative 37. 6 minus a negative 4, 6 minus a negative 4, keep, change, flip. 6 plus 4 is positive 10.